The Four Seasons Hotel, Seoul. Hello everyone and welcome back to The Luxury. Seoul is the best travel destination of all time. The experience will be better if you choose to stay in this luxury hotel that we'll be discussing today. So, let's get into it. The new 29-story glass and steel Four Seasons Hotel Seoul, designed by Su Sin Tao of Singapore, is meant to look like an ancient Korean palace of old, but stylized and brought into the 21st century. Four Seasons Hotel Seoul offers 300 spacious guest rooms, including 43 suites, all with high-tech convenience, spa-like bathrooms and customizable Four Seasons beds. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interiors with natural light, while highlighting impressive views of Seoul Tower, Cheonggyecheon Stream, Gwanghwamun Palace, and the mountains and the cityscape. Cool and contemporary, the hotel's decor draws inspiration from Seoul of the past and the future, combining classic Korean design motifs with a clean, modern aesthetic. Soaring above all is the legendary personalized service, friendly, thoughtful and around the clock, defining the Four Seasons as one of the best hotels in Seoul. The main lobby lounge is built around the large circular fireplace, cast in an ancient bronze map of Korea that details the country's mountains, villages and rivers. More than 130 Korean artists are displayed throughout the building, including Ran Hwang, who used hundreds of ivory-coloured buttons to produce a three-dimensional Korean ship for the lobby wall. Every floor of the luxury hotel features floor-to-ceiling windows, which provide incomparable views of central Gwanghwamun neighborhood. On one side you can see the stately enormous Gyeongbokgung Palace, home of Korea's kings and queens from the 14th through the early 20th centuries. On the other side, it's modern Korea, all skyscrapers and international commerce, media institutes and modern public art. Just steps away from the Gwanghwamun Plaza, Four Seasons Hotel Seoul boasts commanding city views and features 5 in-house dining, state-of-the-art fitness facilities and traditional Korean saunas. The Royal Gyeongbokgung Palace, Sejong Arts Center, Cheonggyecheon Stream and the city are all within a 10-minute walk from this luxurious 5-star hotel. All of the modern, stylish rooms and suites offer floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views of the historical city centre. There are flat-screen LCD TV, remote-filled drapes and mini iPad to access the hotel's services, including 24-hour in-room dining. Guests can choose from Korean, Cantonese, Japanese, Italian or international fusion cuisine at the Four Seasons Hotel Seoul. Bar Boccolino and Charles H are ideal for enjoying an exotic cocktail or a vast selection of wine. Golf Experience allows guests to tee up indoors with 3D renditions of renowned golf courses around the world. Custom personal training is available at the fitness center. Korean sauna facilities are located on the 9th floor and include dry and wet sauna rooms, baths, and a TV lounge and beds for midday naps. Reception and business services are available 24 hours at the Four Seasons Hotel Seoul. Wi-Fi is available free of charge. Valet parking is available at an extra charge. From Four Seasons Seoul, Gimpo Airport is a 40-minute drive from Incheon. Stylish rooms and suites in a high-end hotel with 3 pools, a gym and a spa, plus restaurants and bars. Ringed by verdant mountains and dotted with grand historic palaces, modern glass and steel structures, Seoul is a dynamic capital city that both deeply traditional and forward-thinking. Simply look outside of your room's floor-to-ceiling windows and you'll see what we mean. Contemporary Gwanghwamun Hotel brings the Four Seasons experience to Korea for the first time, inviting you to indulge in complete serenity at our urban spa. Take a dip in our year-round pool, or savour Michelin-starred Cantonese cuisine at Yu Yuan before joining for drinks at Charles H, where Seoul's burgeoning craft cocktail scene is at its finest. Special features: Spa. The spa has a massage/treatment rooms and couples treatment rooms. Services include facials, body treatments, and manicures and pedicures. The spa is equipped with a spa tub. The spa is also open daily. Dining. In the heart of Seoul comes a collection of restaurants and bars in the Four Seasons Hotel, imagined by an international dream team of creative minds, culinary talents, and visionary designers. Dazzling dining experiences await as each restaurant and bar offers jaw-dropping decor and hand-selected menus that span regions and tastes, all created with two non-negotiable truths in mind. Their passion for impeccable food, cocktails and wine combines with signature Four Seasons service to create Seoul's leading destination for food lovers, where the city comes to eat, drink and be seen. The hotel offers many famous restaurants. Akira Back. This theme restaurant specializes in Japanese cuisine and serves lunch, dinner, and light fare. Guests can enjoy drinks at the bar. Boccolino. This restaurant specializes in Italian cuisine and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and is open daily. Yu Yuan. This restaurant specializes in Chinese cuisine and serves lunch and dinner, open daily. The Market Kitchen. This restaurant specializes in international cuisine and serves brunch, lunch, and dinner. Is also open daily. Guests will enjoy a stay with stylish, deep elegance in the heart of Seoul at the Four Seasons Hotel in Seoul, South Korea. Surrounded by verdant mountains and peppered with grand historic palaces and modern points of interest, the capital city of South Korea offers any guest an exciting and memorable experience. This contemporary hotel invites guests to relax, explore, or do whatever they please. After a busy day of exploring and sprawling the urban tundra of Seoul, guests are afforded the pleasure of indulging in the hotel's urban spa or take a dip in the year-round pool. Afterwards, guests can savour the serious flavours offered by Hotel Michelin-starred Cantonese cuisine chef Yu Yuan. And after eating, guests are invited to enjoy a drink at Charles H, where the burgeoning craft cocktail scene of Seoul can be enjoyed firsthand. The interior design of a guest room is chic mashup of tradition and modern design. Cool and contemporary, every room offers a modern twist on traditional Seoul decor. The inspiration for the design looks to keep Seoul's deep traditions intact while also keeping an eye on the future. Rooms combine classic Korean nature motifs, traditional designs, and geometric shapes that offer a clean, modern aesthetic. Rooms are spacious and designed to be guest-friendly as possible. The rooms in this hotel will be a happy sight for guests who are returning from a busy day of sightseeing or business. That brings us to the end of today's video. Do let us know your opinions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you in our next one.